Hello, and welcome back to EMR Tip of the Week. My name is Diego de la Mora, and today we will go over the workflow to address your phone notes. It is important to note that there are some differences with respect to the workflow for residents compared to the workflow for faculty providers. As of June 23, 2016, you will start receiving phone notes that are already signed by the phone operator. This will affect the providers directly in that the pending notes will not have the pencil icon, and the process for documenting a response is not as straightforward as it was before. In order to document properly that you have addressed these notes, please append the sign note. If you choose to document your actions using other ways other than the append, the documentation will likely be discontinuous and difficult to trace. At the completion of the note, you want to make sure that you have routed the phone note to the appropriate person. If the note is in your proxy box, regardless of the presence or absence of the pencil icon, it should be considered pending. Let's get started. Let's say that you have received a request for a refill by phone. Miss Maddie needs a refill on her lisinopril. You will quickly notice that the phone note appears in your proxy box. Notice also that the phone note does not have the pencil icon and the font is in black. The phone note will contain the name of the medication, dose, and instructions as previously documented in the electronic medical record. When you're ready to send a refill, click the button Append. This will create a new note that will be attached to the original request. Again, please do not click the other buttons in the menu when answering a phone note, since these will create a document that is not attached to the original request. Once inside the append, click Create Full Update. You will then see a window that will allow you to select from a large number of updates. Notice how my favorites list is much shorter and I can quickly find RX Refill in my favorites list. Before I select RX Refill, please allow me to show you how to create your own favorites list. First, click the Finder button. Then type RX and click Search. Once you have selected RX Refill, click the button More and now select Add Item. This will start creating a list of your own favorite updates. I recommend that you have RX Refill, Orders Only, and Note in your favorites. Now let's move on and select RX Refill. This will automatically open the refill section. I can now select lisinopril and select the pharmacy to which I will be sending the prescription or print it if I need to. Now you're ready to end the note, but perhaps you want your MA to be alerted of this. This is where faculty providers' workflow differs from residents. If you're a faculty provider, click End Note and click the button New. Select your CMA, in my case is Ms. Palacios, and click Sign and Route. If on the other hand you're a resident, instead of an individual CMA, you will want to select the IM Call Room proxy box. This is a proxy box for the resident pool that will be assisting you with your phone notes. Now click Sign and Route. You will notice that the append as well as the original note both are no longer in my proxy box. In fact, you can find them in the CMA proxy box and my comments appear as a chain to the initial request. Remember, any document in your box needs to be reviewed by you. If you have reviewed and no action was needed, you can sign it. Most changes to the chart are automatically documented. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful.